Assalamu alaikum, my dear first year PUC arts students. Now I welcome to my online history learning classes. Today I shall discuss the chapter 3, History of Ancient Civilizations. The first point, 3.1, that is introduction. In this previous chapter, we have studied human evolution. Around 10,000 BCE, in the New Stone Age, man made many significant inventions. The hunter turned into the herdsman, the wanderer turned into the settler, the gatherer turned into the grower. Then, inventions that helped the growth of civilizations. Many inventions, such as use of fire, rearing of animals for milk and meat, new weapons, tools, utensils, fishing nets, clay pots, discovery of weaving and building of huts and houses, new means and methods of transport such as animals and carts, etc., have brought revolutionary changes and given rise to new arts, crafts, and occupations. The quotation, moving wheels made the civilizations, is noteworthy. The invention of moving wheel by man brought major changes in the profession of potter, carpenter, blacksmith, rope maker, and transport system. It also increased the pace of growth of civilizations. Around 6000 BCE, men made the most important discovery, that is, the discovery of the cultivation of land, agriculture, which brought a great change in the way of their living. Agriculture bound the man to the soil, assured him food throughout the year and fodder for his animals. The next point, the meaning of the term civilization. Generally, civilization and culture are used as one and the same. Civilization broadly refers to more clearly defined human society. The word civilization is derived from Latin word civilis, meaning city or city states. It stands for more matured and refined life. The words civilization and culture are not always considered interchangeable. We may judge a group of people as not civilized but have a culture of their own. One can say that civilization is what we have and culture is what we are. Civilization refers to our material gains, whereas culture refers to our spiritual and philosophical gains or achievements. Civilizations are often referred to as living in cities, whereas culture refers to the way of life of the people. Civilization is a broader term and culture is a part of it. Civilization is a huge group of geographically oriented people. Every civilization has a culture of its own. Sometimes there could be more than one culture in a civilization. Culture is transmitted. Transmitted and transferred. Civilization is entirely passed on. Civilizations grow, degrade, disintegrate, and end. The difference between the two can further be summarized as follows: culture and civilizations. First one, culture, most of it internal. Civilization, it is external. Second, culture includes art, literature, religion, philosophy, food and dress, thought, thoughts and beliefs, customs and traditions. Here, civilization includes towns, cities, villages, buildings, bridges, transport, technology, etc. Here, culture, it has no standards of measurement. Civilization has standards of measurements. Then, fourth, culture, it is the way we believe, behave, think, and act. Here, civilization, it is the material attainments, gains, and facilities used to make the life more comfortable. Here, culture. Culture comes earlier. Civilization. Civilization grows later. Then culture, seventh point, there can be a culture without civilizations. Here, civilization, there cannot be a civilization without culture. These are the difference in between culture and civilization. The next point, river valleys, the cradles of civilizations. Most of the civilizations in the world developed on the banks of the rivers. The places where man settled first were naturally those parts of the world where the soil was rich and water available for drinking and irrigation. Wide and flat lands through which great rivers ran and had warm climate. Man appeared about 5.6 million years ago, but started civilized life 7,000 years ago. Civilized man made the most remarkable progress in the shortest possible time. Okay, my dear students, today we have discussed the chapter civilizations Next we shall continue the next points. Thank you for watching and listening.